Welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. I am your instructor Mahesh Patil. In this lesson, I will talk about the key advantage of the Playwright framework and why it's a powerful tool for test automation. Why choose Playwright? One, because of the speed, language support, and the parallel execution. Talking about the speed, Playwright is known for executing the tests quickly, especially in larger frameworks with many tests. Language support, it supports multiple programming languages, including JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and C hash. Although the TypeScript is a default language, Playwright flexibility allows developers to work in the languages they are most comfortable with. And talking about the parallel execution, Playwright offers free parallel test execution out of the box. You can run the tests in parallel even within a specific say, single file, enhancing efficiency of large test suites. Multiple tabs and windows. Playwright can handle multiple browser tabs or windows seamlessly, allowing for complex test scenarios that involve multiple tabs. Apart from that, we have other advantages compared to Selenium or any other framework in the market. The other things are like smooth iframe handling. Switching between iframes is seamless with the Playwright, make it ideal for applications with iframe heavy structures. XPath support. Playwright natively supports XPath, allowing users to utilize this selector method without additional plugins. However, the best practice suggests avoiding XPath wherever possible, a topic we will explore further in this class, in the upcoming classes. Transition from Selenium. If you are transitioning from Selenium, Playwright offers a similar syntax for locators and asynchronous operations, making the switch smoother. Thank you. That's it for this class.